Hi, I'm here with Dr. Andres. I'm really excited that we are taking a whole group of Australian and New Zealand doctors all the way to Bogota in Colombia for an in-office course. As you know, Dr. Perdomo came to Sydney at a sellout crowd. People love what he had to say and they're excited to learn more. So Andres, can you tell me what will the student that's coming to Colombia learn in your in-office?
We are going to treat more than 50, maybe 60 patients, treating with Damon system, with Insignia as well, appliances like bouncing, a lot of stats. We have 2 full-day lectures before the hands-on on my clinic. So it's gonna be a wonderful and an exciting moment with you in my country, a beautiful place, Colombia.
Excellent. And look out for the brochure. Right now we're still working on it, but it will appear with a contact number to make a booking for this. Your lovely wife, Kathy, I think is going to be here.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Kathy will look after you as far as your accommodation, where to stay, pick up at the airport, etc. It'll be a fantastic course. Colombia is a beautiful country, so if you haven't been, please allocate a little bit of extra time to vacation. It's one of the most beautiful places in the world. For any further details, the email will appear at the bottom of this video. Thanks.
Okay, see you
Thank
then.
Thanks
Thank
very
you,
much.
Derek. Okay.
Appreciate it.